Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ferrari 812 Superfast versus F8 Tributo. We'll start by looking at how each car feels on the road, then dig into engine specs and chassis tuning. I will point out practical differences for daily driving and track use, and break down typical ownership costs like maintenance and tires, so you can decide which model fits your driving priorities and budget. Both cars deliver stunning performance but in different ways, and I'll explain those differences plainly. The 812 Superfast delivers immense naturally aspirated V12 power and a classic high-rev sensation, while the F8 Tributo serves turbocharged torque and responsiveness in a lighter package. We'll compare acceleration, sound, and gearing feel, and discuss how power delivery affects driver confidence on road or track, helping you understand which engine type matches your driving style. Quick recommendation and tiny aside. If you enjoy neat and tidy gear when traveling to track days, try those leak-proof meal prep containers I love for storing snacks and sauces without mess. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful comparisons, and check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Design choices shape how each Ferrari lives with you day to day, so let's be practical about looks and comfort. The 812 Superfast favors grand touring comfort, longer proportions, and slightly more luggage space, while the F8 Tributo emphasizes track-focused packaging and sharper aero. I'll cover visibility, cabin layout, and which car is easier for regular use, including passenger comfort and trunk capacity, so you can weigh style against practical needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.